So, I disappeared for 6 months straight and gave no sign of life. And now I'm all of a sudden coming back. What happened, Dave? Why did you stop posting? Why did you stop live streaming? And I got a very simple question for you. If something bad in life happens, what would you do? You would take a break from everything that's currently taking your time to solve that problem. Now you might say, yeah, but you could have let us know that you were going away for a long time. Yeah, true. But I simply did not have time. Unfortunately, life happens. Problems happen financially. I had some financial trouble as of recent. And yeah, there's a lot that happened recently. But not to worry, we are back on track. And we got plans. I got plans for this channel. And you might be asking why, how, where, when. Okay, let's just start from the beginning. First things first, yeah, I did cut my hair. Second things, I missed you guys a lot. And we're gonna start trading once again. I'm gonna start trading once again and I will be going live. But there's a catch and there's a plan with it. So, as of my recent financial problems, I will be trading, and in the same time, one week I will be going like doing my stuff privately, personal affairs. Also, I had family problems. The last few months have been indeed very, very rough for me. Doesn't everyone get that? I bet they do. No one has that perfect life. And I'm not someone that was born in gold. So basically everything I do is basically earn my own living. So yeah. Now, next things is gonna come up as the following. I'm gonna trade 1 week, and 1 week I will take a break. And I will not be live streaming 1 week. So I will be doing 1 week trading live every day. 1 week I won't be. Next week I will not be here, but after the next week we're starting again. And until I can get to start live streaming every single day, I want to take a little bit of time to get into the rhythm again, which I did have. I've been signing up for new prop firms and as well as Apex. So just recently I have passed, just yesterday in fact, I passed one Apex 50k account and I have it funded. But we're not going to be trading that one. What I'm going to do is keep grinding the accounts until I have 20 Apex funded accounts. The moment I have 20, maybe even 10 to 15, I don't know. But I want 20 Apex accounts that are funded, performance Apex accounts, and then the big show will begin. So stick around for that. I currently have 19 left to go. But I did sign up with fundingticks. I'm pretty sure you guys know the firm is the #1 firm right now on the futures market prop industry, and they have paid the most amount of money so far. They kind of new, but they're absolutely legit. And okay, many traders have been trading with them, and they've been more than happy. So, what I'm gonna do when I will be live streaming, we're gonna trade my eval Pro Plus fundingticks account. By the way, if you want to find out more, go on their website, check it out, and if you do decide to purchase something, use Dave98, your code, for the best deals always. And mind you, we're gonna be doing this steadily and nicely. We're gonna be getting back into the rhythm while I stack my Apex accounts, and we're gonna go and begin to rip and trade the markets once again. And so yeah, stick around for that, guys. I will be doing community posts I will be doing posts on YouTube, like in the post section. I will be doing polls and announcements of whether I'll be going away again or not. But one thing I can assure you is that for this winter, I will not be going away or disappearing anytime soon without at least letting you guys know. But I don't intend to go away again for this long. So, are you guys ready to go back into the live streams and work? If so, drop a comment if you're still watching me, because I bet you probably already forgot. And I don't blame you. I've been disappeared and shown no signs of life since 6 months now. So, let me guys show you what trades I took today for Fresh Cash Friday on my fundingticks 50k account. And I'll show you also my stats. Right, so I'll show you my stats inside my account. Let me see here. Pull up the stats. But first I'm going to show you the trades and why I took them. I'm also going to analyze what I did wrong today. Because I had a couple trades that put me in the red first. And then I went in the green. Alright, so let me see here. Show you guys. And then we're going to talk about the plan and all of what I was looking for when the market opened. Alright. So this was the first trade of the day. As you can see, gonna take it here. Okay, so initially, let's go to when the market opened, basically. Alright, so as you can see on the 2-minute chart, what I was looking for when the market opened was this dump that we were gonna go through the 230s here. So I was intended to, as you can see, that there was this overall area of support right here. Actually, I'll discuss this later on, but I will first be showing you the trades and what I did wrong. So at open, basically, I kept shorting the market because I saw it go down, but in reality it was just a wick, a liquidity wick. But luckily I only had 2 micros on for the account size. That's responsible. So don't put even one standard mini is already too much for an account size of, let's say, $2,000. The initial account balance was $2,000, but now it's $167 of profit. So as you can see, I kept shorting, right? I think this was initially a long because I saw this, this bull flag here, and I actually longed right here, and I got stopped out here. So I was like, okay, then I'm gonna wait for another setup. And here I actually shorted, and it wasn't that of a bad idea, but it just turned out to be a fake out. So I got stopped out for $73 there. I kept shorting again, which again, this wasn't that bad of a spot, and I set my stop loss here. I got stopped out for $89, and then I did it again, which again was a bad idea, and it was this one here was kinda tilty, a tilty trade, and stopped me out for $60. So I basically took a breath, and when I saw that we're not going down, we're making a wick, right, we're wicking up, and I'm gonna show you later why I actually started getting long. And the moment I saw this overall retest, we broke above this area where we rejected previously, and then we turned it into support. I actually decided to get long 2 contracts, and then I added 2 more here, which I actually ended up taking for a massive pointer here. So I basically took 2 contracts off for 140, and then another 2 for 186, and then I got long again here, which was the perfect spot, got me out for another $55, and then once again I got long here, and it took me out for $100 of profit. Then Jerome Powell started speaking, and we pretty much screwed around. I mean, you can just see the mess It was just a massive chop, 200 300 point move up. We ripped. He said September they estimate to have rate cuts, so that's great. Now for the performance center, as you can see, average trade time was 1 minute 26. Longest trade time was 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Profitable trades 50, with losing trades 50%. So, as you can see, my largest winning trade was $89. Average losing trade 70. Largest winning trade 186. Average winning trade 120. So my winners were bigger than losses today. In fact, double the size. Because I decided to keep my trades. Why did I actually end up on green? I ended up on green because I decided to let my good trades run instead of taking it for break even, right? When I saw myself on break even, that I made everything that I lost back, I didn't stop. I kept trading, looking for an A+ setup, and in fact I had 3, which you saw earlier. As you can see, after trade fees and commissions, I took 8 trades today. Not bad, but I have to lower this down. It's a little bit too much for me. I need to lower it down again to at least, 2, 3 trades, at least 3 trades max. That's it. So yeah, these are the stats. Now we're gonna move to the strategy trading view platform, and we're gonna analyze what happened, what did happen, and why. Right? Why did I think initially that market went up? And my thesis wasn't wrong. Check this out. As you can see, today, Friday, right? Look at what we did here. Look at what we did here. We have one support, another one here. This, these here, as if we want to just push, this overall consolidation area that we want to like push. Right? So I saw this on the 15-minute chart, and also I looked on the daily and hour and saw that yesterday, actually I took the trades. I passed my accounts here yesterday. I anticipated a break into the 155s when the market was here, pre-market was around here. And then we held the 200s, and broke down into the hundreds. And we broke into this overall, area, like this key level here. And, right, we held the hundreds, right? These are the hundreds. 23,100 was key level support. So what I did was, going back up, we held it 3 times, right? 1, 2, 3. The third time support, yes. So as you can see, we also we held again the 200s here successfully, which made us rip when Powell started speaking. So my thesis, when market opens, this was gonna go up, and indeed it did. There is no way a pigeon just landed on top of my window. How does a pigeon land on top of my window? Did you guys see that? That is so unusual. It's just staring at me. Is that even a pigeon? I don't even know, guys. Are you guys seeing this? It's just there. I don't know. Whatever. So, what I anticipated was that the market was going to go up, and indeed it did. But we first faked down, wicked. It took out all the stops because probably people got long somewhere here. Set the stop loss probably somewhere here. And what we did is basically took out those stops. We took out those stops and then moved up. And once I saw that, and I caught that it's a fake out, I started getting extremely confident that we were gonna rip up, which we actually did. And then we ripped up another 318 points when people spoke. Held up the pit here, wonderful for another setup here, as you can see, another bull up here. So yeah, we're getting back into the rhythm now. Let me guys show you the stats for my funding ticks account. Okay, so there you go. Let me see. No sensitive info shown. Yes? No. Don't believe so. Imagine I just click on the credentials. That would be mad, bro. That would be mad. Okay, so check this out. I don't know why it displays $70 PNL. I generally don't know because I have $167 in my freaking account. So I really don't know why. But let's see. The score is 29 to 28 on the consistency. RR, WR, stop loss usage. I need to make about the target is 2500 right here. So let's see. Average win, average loss, literally like almost double. 50% win ratio. 1.70 profit factor. 167 PNL, 167. Yeah, 167, but I don't know why they added just 70. Days 1, as you can see, green day, bam, bam. Right? We have here profit 198. Wait, no, this is just short analysis. Yeah, losses 282, wins 480. So as you can see, these are all my stats here. Yeah, look at that. I mean, I literally have trading histories here, literally 60, 70, 89. My wins were indeed way bigger than my losses, but I should have waited for an opportunity to settle instead of just jumping in like a madman, trying to short what was basically a fake out. So, going back for short, I also have, I'm not going to show it now, I'll probably show it next time I record a video. However, the week that I'm not here, I will be trying to record a video and post it up for you guys. Now, I will be showing you in one of the videos my funded account. I have it right now, it's my performance funded Apex account. I have one and I'm gonna go for 19 more. So cheers to that, and I missed you guys so much, honestly. So once I start live streaming again, and let's have a blast, guys. Thank you so much for rejoining, to the few of you who are still with me and still subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace to the Middle East, and I'm happy to be back.